Okay, let us start the class. Now, under Fibonacci series, we will try to understand Fibonacci series nth element. Okay, to find nth element, in Fibonacci series. Okay, this is the topic in Python, to find nth element in Fibonacci series. The code, as I told you, that Fibonacci series. Okay, as I told you that Fibonacci series means once we have discussed within this 0, 1, 0, 1, these are generally Fibonacci series. It consists of these two numbers first. After that, whatever the number, that will be the addition of these two numbers. Okay, so 0 plus 1, 1. Next number 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, okay, next 3, next 5, next 8, 8 plus 5, 13, next 21, next 34, like that. Okay, this is the Fibonacci series. Initially these two numbers common, next addition of these two, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 13, 24. This is the Fibonacci series. So we need to find nth element. Nth element means we will count from here. Suppose remove this 0, you count from here. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th element. Now if you want to find 9th element, okay, this is 9. So 9th element is equal to 9th element is equal to how? 9th element, this is the 9th element. It will getting by 34 minus 21. Okay, 34 minus 21, 34 minus 21, okay, plus 34 minus 13, 34 minus 13. So that will be what? 34 minus 21 is equal to 13. 13 plus 34 minus 13, 21. Okay, now it is equal to 34. So suppose if you want to get 34, so this number will be getting by subtracting from just before two numbers. Okay, just before two numbers, 34 minus 21, 34 minus 13, and whatever the numbers we will get, addition of that number, we will get this one. Okay, 34. Same, suppose if you want to get this 21, same. Okay, so for this we will write the code like what you know. I want to create a function, def keyword. Def keyword will be used to create a function. That function name Fibo. Fibo means Fibonacci, whatever you can see, X, Y, Z, just I have kept Fibonacci series, Fibo, and in bracket I passed a variable, okay, X as a variable, then colon. Okay, now your function declared, its name is equal to Fibo. Now write a condition if X is equal to 0, if X is equal to 0. Okay, now return what? Return 0. okay, because now we need to get first 0. Okay, if x is equal to 0, return 0. L if, one more condition, L if x is equal to 1, return 1. Okay, so if x is equal to 0, return 0. So if x is equal to 1, return 1. Okay, next, else colon. Okay, now return what? Fibo means function. I am here, recursion is being used. Recursion, I will explain what is recursion. X minus 1. X minus 1 means if x, this is the, we want to get this number. So suppose this is x, we want to get this number. So this minus, suppose this is the first number in front of this. So x minus 1 plus, okay, Fibo, okay, x minus 2, okay, as I discussed with that. Okay, x, this is the x. Suppose if you feel this is x minus 1 plus x minus 2, so we will get the, okay. Now you request x is equal to what? Int bracket input function bracket, request the user to enter a number. Okay, this is the string, enter a number. So string will be kept in either single quotation or double quotation marks. So whatever the string you will keep, whatever the number we user passes, that will be considered as a string, and that will be converted by int function. Okay, that string will be converted into integer, and that will be stored in x. So your x holds what? Integer value. So now take a print out here. Okay, print bracket formatted text. Okay, within the formatted text, value of Fibonacci series. Okay, value of Fibonacci series. So here you put flower braces here. So within the flower braces, put the x value. Okay, then after what we need to do that? Okay, okay, you remove this one, okay, you remove this one. Okay, now so now quotation marks value of Fibonacci series. Okay, now put a comma here. Okay, this is okay. Now put a comma. Now you call that function Fibo x. Okay, this is the story. Now let us see if I want to compile this one. Enter a number. It is asking for, suppose 8. So value of Fibonacci series 8 is equal to 21. So what? 8 number, count from 1, not from 0. Okay, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is equal to 21. So you are getting what? 21 number. So this is nth element. Nth element. So how we are getting? So let us check that. Okay, first of all, a function is created, that is function name Fibo and variable passed. So this variable value, we will whenever that variable value will be given by the user.